GBATAHA. Please search for it. Bambidaimé in the bathroom. Bambidaimé in the bathroom. Mogejinga kai pe bombo ageno. Please count the rolls of toilet paper. Sa we biata biama bishwe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe kai pe bombo ageno bishwe. I found 5 rolls of toilet paper. Mobingo azagbali wori. Where do you find combs? Azagbali gudule. Here are combs. Amini dungura. They are many. Walidu kolinde na pa kolinde ni. Where is a brush, a toothbrush and a toothpaste? Kolinde dule na pa kolinde dule. A toothbrush is here and a toothpaste is here. A kolinde ni dungura. There are many toothbrushes. A pa kolinde a ni dungu he. There are many toothpaste also. Mobingo bichirobi. Do you find a mirror? Yes. Bichirobi dule. This is a mirror. Gukuro bichirobi dule. This is another mirror. A bichirobi hele ni dungura. A bichiro okay. Mirrors are found many here. Ani gijinga limo aga hene chebelewe ni vovo. Let us count the names of these things again from beginning. Bichirobi, mirror or a mirror. Pakulinde, that is toothpaste. Kolinde, toothbrush. Azagbeli, that is combs. Zagbeli is one. Azagbeli means many combs. Pebombo ageno, that is toilet paper. Kai pebombo ageno, the rolls of toilet paper. Bambidaimé in the bathroom.